Web3 is the next evolution of the internet, built on blockchain technology to create a decentralized, user-controlled digital world. Unlike Web 2, where big tech companies owned and monetize your data, Web 3 gives individuals full ownership over their identities, assets, and digital interactions. It enables peer-to-peer transactions, smart contracts, and decentralized applications, which are also known as dApps. It removes the need for intermediaries like banks, social media giants. Web3 integrates cryptocurrencies, NFTs, and decentralized finance, or DeFi, to create an open, permissionless ecosystem where users have control over their data and their money. This shift empowers individuals, enhances privacy, and paves the way for a more transparent, secure, and self-sovereign internet.